There were two monks who were walking back to the monastery, and they came across the banks of a river where they found a woman crying. When they asked her, she said, "I'm trying to cross the river, but I can't because of the current, and my children are waiting for me." The older monk picked the lady up, took her across the river and put her down, and then they continued walking. After many miles, the younger monk asked him, "Master told us not to look at women, not to talk to them, but you've actually gone and touched one. He's going to be very angry with us." And the older monk replied, "I left that lady many miles back, but you seem to be still carrying her in your mind." Ladies and gentlemen, the question I have for you is, what negative thoughts are you carrying with you? What self-limiting beliefs are you carrying with you that are actually restricting your action today, your ability? What regrets of the past, what anxieties of the future haunt your mind that you can't act today? Mindful leaders are extremely aware of the thoughts. And let me tell you a few facts. A normal mind has 60,000 thoughts a day. An agitated mind has 90,000 thoughts a day. According to Cleveland Clinic, 95% of these thoughts are repetitive and almost 80 to 90% are negative. Now, all this was fine when we lived in the caves, but we don't live there now because we were programmed to look for danger. That's how we were survived all these years. The amygdala, the reptilian part of the brain, gets very active and it needs to be calmed down. And that's what mindfulness does. Once you build awareness, you can detect these patterns which are actually disrupting you. And you can learn to calm this part of the mind by developing the prefrontal cortex, which is actually responsible for all the executive decisions. All your rational decisions are made there. Hi, I'm Mudit. I'm a mindfulness expert and an executive coach. I'm on a mission to empower organizations and individuals to transform, become the best version of themselves. And I do this by teaching mindfulness, executive coaching, and leadership solutions. As a mindfulness expert, I can teach you to become more aware, so that you can pause and learn to respond in life rather than react. As a leadership coach, I can help you become the best you want to be. I can help you achieve your goals, keep you on track, challenge you, make you aware of your obstacles, and help you achieve 10x results. Transformational journeys are deeply rewarding, but they require you to take action. Are you ready? Book a Calendly appointment for a free discovery call. If you've liked this content, then I'd like you to connect with me on all my social media. If you're watching this on YouTube, I request you to press the subscribe button so you can actually connect with me and receive all the content.